Do you want to know how I achieved this look from this? Kindly watch this video to the end because it's a full tutorial on how I achieved this glueless wig look. So this is a new full frontal tiwa wig. So I'm going to turn it into a glueless pixie cut wig. So just watch what I'll be doing in this video. So to measure a wig as glueless, you're going to use your tape rule. So this is my wig, so I'm going to measure my front hair from one side of my ear to the other side, so I'll get the exact measurement. This is 12. My head size is 12 with the measurement. Measure from one ear to another ear, so that's 12. So you can see it's 12. So that's what I'm going to measure now with the wig. So next, this is the wig we are going to work with. So we're going to take the measurement on the wig. So just what we are doing the measurement. So we see that it is 12. So from one ear to one ear is 12. So we're going to take from where the wig starts. So you have to get exactly 12. So you can see this is 12. This is 12. 11, 12. Is from the beginning 1 to 12. So I'm just going to be tracing the part that I left. We have little portion here and little portion here. So basically a frontal is always 13. The length is always 13 this way. It's always 13. So we're going to take out of 13, we are removing 1 inch. So we're going to take half inch here, then half inch here. By the each end, half each and each end, half inch here, half inch here. So that's what I'm just going to be doing. So I'm just going to measure half inch. So you see from here is half inch. So from where the wig starts, that's why I'm going to measure half inch. So half inch is here. Half inch is here. This is half inch. This is where the wig starts. You can see this point. So I'm just going to measure half inch. This is from the wig to this to 1. That's half inch. And this is my from the wig to 1 is half inch. So this is my wig marker. So I'm just going to mark this point so that it will be easy for me to cut when I want to cut. Then the other end too, we're going to measure half inch also. So from the wig here to 1, this is another half inch. Half inch. So that's where we are simply going to cut off from the wig. You can see the mark I did. That's where we are going to cut off from the wig. Let me just trace so that it will be easy for me to trace. Then this part. So I will flip the wig to the front so that it will be easy to cut. Then I will trace where the half inch is. You can see the mark here. The mark we gave. So I'm just going to trace the half inch and part the hair. So this way I'm going to cut from this point down to this point, to this end. I'm going to take my scissors to cut this part. So I will trace it like this. Just trace where you put the mark and cut.
And if you hear this and then go on bend your back, go on bend your knees, baby shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. And if you hear this and then go on bend your back, go on bend your knees, baby shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass
Trace the other part soon.
Please just rewind, let me shake it to
After cutting the excess lace, I went ahead to sew it back. You can see the way I stitched it back. I sewed this part back, then the other part too, I sewed it back. So what next we are going to be doing is to put our elastic band I will go ahead to sew the elastic band to the wig. So it's the placement that matters. So I'm going to place it here. It has to be on this angle, so it will follow with the back of the hair. So it will be here like this. You place one end here and the other side at the other end. So I'm going to sew it in now. See the way I'm going to be placing it. See where I placed it. Then you sew it in. So it will hold the front also firm. That's why you are sewing it. This is what we have after placing the elastic band. You place at each end. So I'm going to wear it now so you will see. You can see after wearing it, I've not styled it yet. You can see it's firm already. It's gripping very firm, like it's already flat here. Then you see this part too. All I'll just do is just cut off the lace, then you see the firmness. But let me style it first. You can see it's not something that will remove easily from your head. You see, so it's firm like that. That's how you do it. You see the wig on the mannequin, so I'll just go ahead and style it now. So we'll style it into pixie cut. Let's do the final styling. I'll remove the clip. So I'll take my comb. Okay.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake.
So I'm just going to be adding my holding spray to the back. To be adding my hair serum. That's the final thing we are doing. And after we're going to cut the lace at the front. This is the finished look of our full frontal wig, the tailor wig that we styled into pixie cut. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. Will you be trying this hairstyle? Let me know in the comment section. We'll see you in our next video. We love you. Bye.